Hello everyone, I am 𝗙𝗶𝗱𝗀𝘀. I have been working with SAP Business One since 2017, and during this time I have supported and implemented system for companies across different industries. Over these years, I have built my expertise in modules like finance, sales, purchasing, and production inventory along with database management, upgrades, and troubleshootings. Since 2021, I have also been actively sharing my knowledge online through written tips and tricks, posting more than 350 blogs and daily insight on LinkedIn. Many of you may have read them already, but today is different. Today, for the first time, I am sharing these tips in a real-time video format. So, one of the most common and important tasks for any B1 consultant is working with databases. Whether you are beginner or experienced, you will always face situation where you need to take a backup of your live database and restore it as a test database to troubleshoot test upgrades or try to new features without risking production data. When I started my journey back in 2017, I faced this exact challenge. I remember being focused about backup paths, restore errors, and even overwriting case DBs by mistake. And I know many of you have been there too. So in this video, I will show you step by step how to do it properly. I will be using the OEC Computer database, which is the demo database that comes with SAP Business One. So we will go through three things together. First, should be taking backup from live database in SQL Server. Second thing, restoring it as a test database with a new name, and then checking that connect properly inside SAP Business One without disturbing the live system. Okay. Don't worry if this feels technical at first. Once you are done, it a couple of time it becomes a second nature, and trust me, this is one of the most valuable habits you can build early in your SAP Business One journey. So let's get started with the demo. I hope this video helps you the way I wish I had some explain it to me when I was starting in 2017. If you have also struggled with backups and restore, drop your experience in your comments. Your story might help someone else. And if you found this useful, so don't forget to follow along because I will be sharing many more real-time B1 tips and tricks just like this. So we will start from here. This is the SAP B1 main screen for login. So as you can see, there are total four databases for SAP Business One, and it is already in SQL Server. So we can go through directly in SQL Server. So you can see one, two, three, four. This is the SAP standard database. So just pick up from them and just click right this way. Just go to the task, and there is an option backup. As you can see, backup is already by default right now, but we can just the remove because I already took this database in the past. So just go to the add. This is the by default. See in the C drive. So I want to take a database in separate or new folder. So I choose C, D, and E, and when I choose D, I think that yes, there is a bank file, or in the E, yes, there is a backup file here. So I choose this one and selected path is you can see E backup file. This is by default information. File name should be your desire. My desire should be 3009 as test and BAK. Don't forget to .BAK. Then click OK button. Okay. So we can see right now as E backup file slash this is the file, and you can just click OK button. Okay. You can select this one and just keep it up with OK. So we can take our database of SBO demo GB completed successfully. This is the database. As you can see, SBO demo GB. Okay. And we can cross check with this folder. It should be in E drive, local disk E drive, backup file. As you can see, date modified. This is the new one database. Back files around 7 GB, and this is the date 13th September 12/22/12/22. Okay. Now we are going to create a new database from this scratch or live database. Just click databases, right click, restore database. So there are many options. We can choose this device because I already stored in the E drive. So there are three dots here. Just click add, and we can choose from there E drive, backup file, double click, and you can select this database. There is the only one database in this folder for now. So you can choose. This is by default information. Just click OK. Choose OK. And we are going in the files. So when you are creating a new database from your current database, make sure this name should be different. So we are going to create with new database underscore today's date 3009. So now double check in the files. So there should be a LDF and MDF file. See, SBO demo GB 309. Oh, sorry. That should be changed. Right? Now, if you can choose, this is the SAP by default seed program patch. So try with options. There are multiple options here, and the first one should be your overwrite this database. It's like when you use case condition case something like when you are restoring OEC computers as a test database, the common selection maybe you can see like overwrite existing database with replace. So if you already have a test DB with the same name, wanted to refresh it, then recovery state is equal to restore with recovery. So the DB comes online immediately, and this is the we can ignore this for a now because this is the test database. So usually not needed for test DBs, only for production recovery scenario. So we can just ignore this option for a now and straight go to general component again and click the OK button. And within a minute it should be there with a new name. Yes, says we can see demo database GB today's date restored successfully, and we can refresh here. So it should be there. See, SPO demo GB with new name, and we can see here when you go to the SAP Business One main screen and just refresh, there should be a new database here. So now we are going to cross check with new database is working or not. So just put your original manager ID and password from the your current your existing one. So this is the existing that we were creating a new database. This one to this one. So just put manager and password should be mine was this. Okay. So just when you see the company name should be the same. If you want to change this name, you can try from here system initialization, company details, general, and you can create a new with the name 3009 and keep it at update. Okay, administrator, choose and create. Just click refresh. So there should be a new name as OEC Computer UK. So now we already take up backup and restore from the live to a new test database. This is standard process, and I hope you get this uh, how to take database take up backup and restore. And that's it. We have successfully backed up on OSC computer live databases and restore it as a test database inside SQL Server. Then connect it back in SAP Business One. This is one of the first thing every SAP Business One consultant should get comfortable with because it prepares you for many real life scenarios, upgrades, troubleshootings, testing add-ons, and even learning without touching production database. So today was just a start. In the future, I will be sharing more real-time tips and tricks from database management to daily SAP Business One tasks. So you will be always have practical knowledge at your fingertips. So stay tuned because each small skill like this will make you ready for the future as a strong B1 professional. So goodbye and hope you I will create a new video just like this. But don't forget to like and subscribe my upcoming YouTube channel. I'm sure I will be there soon in the YouTube channel. Bye.